Here, just I want to see how exactly the industry and entrepreneur people and you want to make your own product and how exactly you will exhibit all those things. I'm really excited for that. And Makerspace is open for all, actually speaking. It is not only meant for students in the campus, it is open for professionals also. And we provide a financial support to complete your project. If you want to design any kind of the kind of first you want to execute with a prototype, even everything will be supported to financial to technical support also. We have good staff in our campus as well as finance, everything will be taken care. Obviously, there will be MOU we can have together because when it comes to external people inside the campus, we can get the connection with the industry as well as the student. You can get the student community to execute your project also. That is the another benefits you will get it. Assume that you require more time for to complete the project. Sometimes you may require more assistance. So you can make our students intern and you can do the work. And all such kind of facilities will be facilitated in our Makerspace. So it is open for everyone. Anything to ask, you can ask the question.
Thank you.
Thank you.